Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury vinyl tile flooring, or LVT, and I'm thrilled to guide you through all the aspects of this fantastic flooring option. Whether you're renovating your home or designing a new space, LVT flooring might just be the perfect fit for you. Let's get started. Luxury vinyl tile, or LVT, is a premium and durable flooring solution that beautifully mimics the appearance of natural materials like wood, stone, or ceramic tiles. It's made from multiple layers, including a wear layer for enhanced durability, a printed design layer for realistic visuals, and a resilient core that provides stability and comfort. LVT comes in a variety of sizes and styles, offering endless design possibilities for any room in your home. Now, let's talk about the incredible features and benefits that make LVT flooring stand out among other options. Realistic looks. With advanced printing technology, LVT convincingly replicates the authentic look of natural materials without the maintenance hassles. Durability. LVT is extremely durable and can withstand heavy foot traffic, making it an ideal choice for busy households or commercial spaces. Water resistance. Unlike some traditional flooring options, LVT is water resistant, making it perfect for areas prone to moisture, such as kitchens, bathrooms, and basements. Comfort underfoot. The resilient core of LVT provides a comfortable and warm surface, making it a joy to walk on even during colder months. Easy maintenance. LVT is effortless to clean and maintain. Regular sweeping and occasional damp mopping is all that's needed to keep it looking pristine. Scratch and stain resistance. The wear layer of LVT protects against scratches, stains, and scuffs, ensuring your floor stays beautiful for years. Now, let's explore the different types of luxury vinyl tile flooring available in the market. Glue-down LVT. This type requires adhesive during installation and is commonly used for commercial applications due to its excellent stability. Click-lock LVT. With an innovative interlocking system, Click-lock LVT is DIY-friendly and ensures a secure and straightforward installation process. Loose-lay LVT. This variation utilizes friction to stay in place without adhesive, making it easy to replace individual tiles if needed. Don't worry if you're not a DIY expert, LVT flooring is incredibly easy to install. With the click and lock or adhesive options, you can have your new floors installed in no time. Many homeowners find joy in making it a fun and rewarding DIY project. However, for the best results, we recommend professional installation for a flawless finish. If you're considering installing LVT flooring yourself, follow these basic steps. Prepare the subfloor. Ensure the subfloor is clean, dry, and level before laying down any LVT. Measure and plan. Take accurate measurements and plan the layout to minimize waste and achieve the desired look. Start installation. Depending on the type of LVT you choose, either apply adhesive or interlock the tiles following the manufacturer's instructions. Trim and finish. Trim the edges, install transition pieces, and add baseboards for a polished appearance. Now, let's compare LVT with other popular flooring options to help you make an informed decision. LVT vs. Hardwood. LVT offers similar aesthetics to hardwood but is more affordable, easier to maintain, and resistant to moisture. LVT vs. Ceramic tiles. While ceramic tiles are durable, LVT provides a warmer and more comfortable surface underfoot. LVT vs. Laminate. LVT is more water resistant and often more robust than laminate, making it a better choice for high traffic areas. Still not convinced why LVT is an excellent choice for your flooring needs? Here are some compelling reasons. Versatility. LVT can complement any style, from contemporary to traditional, giving you the freedom to design your dream space. Longevity. Its durability ensures LVT will stand the test of time, saving you money in the long run. Low maintenance. With minimal upkeep required, LVT lets you spend more time enjoying your beautiful floors and less time cleaning. Comfort and sound absorption. LVT softness underfoot and sound-absorbing properties create a quieter and cozier environment. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to luxury vinyl tile flooring. From its realistic looks and unbeatable durability to the straightforward installation process, LVT has truly revolutionized the world of flooring. Now, it's your turn to elevate your living spaces with this incredible flooring solution. Check the link in the description below to explore our extensive collection of LVT flooring options. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy flooring!